the health educators here at the Wise and Well Center. Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're going to make one of my favorite drinks, a nice healthy fruit smoothie. Fruit smoothies are good any time of the day as a meal or as a snack, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So let's get started with some ingredients. You can use a protein shake mix. Of course, I always add my berry blends for great antioxidants. And what we have here are blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. You can also add strawberries. These berry blends are good for your brain health as well as for great skin. Also, I add almond milk. I don't drink regular milk, but if you do, you can certainly add almond milk to it. And for additional protein, you can try Greek yogurt, non-fat Greek yogurt, as well as almond butter. What you always want to do with any of your ingredients, you want to watch the sugar content in any of them, because while you can enjoy your smoothie, we don't want you to add too much fruit in it, because too much sugar in it, and that could cause something else to happen. So you can add bananas. I always add half a banana. Again, watching my sugar content. You can add apples, things like apples, strawberries, and vegetables. Always good to get your veggies in every day. Now, what you see here is broccoli. And this will be a first for me. So we'll see how this tastes. Y'all bear with me, because I normally have spinach or kale in my smoothie. Also, what I have, my measuring cups. So this is my measuring cup for my liquid, which I'll use to measure out my almond milk. When I add my protein mix, it calls for 2 scoops of protein mix and 9 ounces of liquid. I like to add half and half, half of almond milk and half of my water. Also, for measuring out my peanut butter or my yogurt, we would use these measuring cups. And for your teaspoons, sometimes people like their smoothies to be a little more sweeter. So if you are interested in adding some pure vanilla or some stevia, this is when your teaspoons and tablespoons will come into place. So let's get started. Remember, when you're making your smoothie, you always want to add your liquid first. So remember, I'm adding a half a cup of my almond milk, and I'm adding half a cup of my water. And then you want to add your protein mix if that's what you're going to use. And for our wonderful, wonderful treats, here are our berries. And remember, this is a berry blend, and it includes raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries, but you can also add strawberries to the mix. And I'm only using a half a banana. Bananas are great for you, great source of potassium. But again, watching our sugar intake. And here's, for the first time, broccoli. Should be delicious, right? Okay, let's make sure we have everything. Everything is all in there. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more water. And because I like my smoothies to be really, really cold, I always add ice. So you can add a few ice cubes to it. And if you want a creamy smoothie, you can add avocado to it. And also, the Greek yogurt will make it creamy as well. So let's blend to see what we come up with. Now you can stir it around a little bit, make sure you get everything in there. And I'm gonna taste a little here. You know what? Since we have this extra piece of broccoli here, let's add it. It's delicious. Remember, it's important to get your veggies in, and this is a great way to get your veggies in. And I didn't add any sugar, no added sugar. So there's no added sugar in here, just our natural sugar coming from our berries. There's no added sugar in the ingredients and such. So you want to make sure you look at your food labels when you're adding your ingredients, because you want it to be nutritious, but you want it to be delicious, but you also want it to be nice and healthy for you as well. So let's try it. It's purple, my favorite color. It's delicious. It's perfect, just like you. So send me your comments. Let me know what you'd like for me to make next time, and we're going to give it a try. Let's talk about it.